Hello everyone. I was going to do an April Whiff box unboxing. There is a lot in this month's Whiff box, y'all. So the theme is Spread a Little Sunshine. It says, your April Whiff box is inspired by things that make everyone smile, springtime and sunshine. Inside, you'll find a variety of products carefully selected to bring cheerful fragrances into your home. As the days begin to warm, delight in the arrival of spring. So the first thing we have is a fragrance flower in the pineapple mango fragrance. I can't wait to put this in my bathroom. The pineapple mango is pineapple mango and passion flower. The second thing that we have in here, we actually have a three Scentsy bar bundle. So that is fantastic. The first one is sparkling yellow. This one is citrus. It's a sweeter citrus, lemonade, grapefruit, and pineapple. The second Scentsy bar we have here is sun-kissed citrus. Another citrus favorite fragrance, orange, lemon, lime, and grapefruit. So you got the whole blend of citrus in that one. And then the third bar we have is Soak and Raise. This is a newer fragrance. It's floral, mandarin, orange flower, and ocean air. It's a perfect blend, I think, of floral and fresh. Out of the three, this one is my favorite. This month, they also included a bottle of Scentsy Fresh. So this is a fabric spray, you guys, in the black raspberry vanilla scent. So it's a fruity scent of dark berries and vanilla. So the fabric spray you can use on your carpets, upholstery, furniture. After you make your bed, you can spray it. So it definitely comes in handy around the house. And then they also included 2 samples. So the first is a hand soap sample of coconut daiquiri. This is also fruity, coconut milk, banana, and vanilla cream. Yes, please. And they included a sample of Aloha Orchid. So this is actually the fragrance of the month for May. I'm not gonna open it, I'm gonna save it because I think I'm gonna send it out to one of my VIP customers so they can have a sample of next month's fragrance. So that is a lot. That was definitely a citrus heavy whiff box, but also some fruity things filled in there. Great value. This is like a $45 value, but you're getting it for $35, plus you're getting the 2 free samples. So definitely a great deal on these monthly whiff boxes. If you guys are interested, you can message me or check out my website.